As China surges ahead in the 6G race, some are left wondering, is this really a good thing? With great technological power comes great responsibility, and not everyone is convinced that China's rise will benefit the global community. Could China's dominance in the 6G space lead to tighter control, surveillance, and a shift in global power dynamics that leaves other nations struggling to catch up? This is no longer just a race for the fastest internet. It's about who will shape the future of technology and, ultimately, the world. Recent events indicate that China is not just competing in the 6G race, but is on track to lead it. In early 2024, China launched the world's first experimental 6G satellite, marking a major milestone in its journey toward dominating next-gen wireless technology. This bold move is part of a larger strategy to outpace the United States and other global competitors. As 6G shifts from a concept to a reality, the stakes have never been higher. The critical question now is, will China's leap into 6G dethrone the US as the world's tech leader? As China's rapid advancements unfold, nations and tech giants are starting to react, hinting at a potential transformation of the global tech landscape. This unfolding competition could reshape international alliances, shift economic power, and touch the everyday lives of people everywhere. But first, we need to understand what 6G is and why it matters. Although 5G is still being rolled out worldwide, 6G is already in development, and it promises to be revolutionary. Imagine a world where communication happens instantly, with speeds reaching up to 1 terabit per second. This would enable Ultra HD video streaming, real-time virtual reality, and seamless AI integration into every aspect of life. 6G isn't just faster internet. It's the technology that could completely change how we live, work, and connect. 6G isn't just about faster internet speeds. It's set to redefine industries like healthcare, transportation, and manufacturing, with a level of automation and connectivity we've never seen before. Imagine a world where remote surgery becomes the norm, with surgeons operating on patients continents away using real-time, high-definition video and advanced touch feedback. Or envision smart cities where AI systems seamlessly manage everything: traffic, utilities, and emergency services, making our daily lives safer, more efficient, and stress-free. The timeline for 6G's widespread rollout may be in the early 2030s, but the race to develop it is happening right now. Countries and corporations are fiercely competing to establish the global standards that will define this next technological era. However, major hurdles remain, such as infrastructure challenges, cybersecurity risks, and the need for worldwide collaboration to make 6G a reality. What sets 6G apart is its promise of ultra-fast speeds, near-zero latency, and the ability to handle billions of devices connected simultaneously. This won't just make our gadgets faster, it will completely reshape the Internet of Things, allowing everything from household appliances to citywide transportation networks to be connected and responsive in real time. In essence, 6G isn't merely an upgrade. It's the key to unlocking a future where everything around us is interconnected, and data flows effortlessly, transforming the way we live, work, and interact with the world. However, with the promise of 6G comes a set of serious challenges. The sheer scale of infrastructure required to support such high-speed networks is enormous, and the potential security risks are just as daunting, especially as China pushes hard to dominate the 6G race. China understands these challenges better than anyone, and they've launched a highly coordinated, all-out effort to take the lead. Unlike in the United States, where private companies spearhead 6G development with varying degrees of government support, China's approach is unified and calculated. The Chinese government, tech giants like Huawei, and leading academic institutions are all working in lockstep to ensure that China isn't just competing in the 6G arena, it's positioning itself to dominate. But China's 6G ambitions go far beyond mere technological progress. This is about power. By leading the 6G revolution, China aims to set the global standards, influencing how and where this technology is used. Whoever controls these standards will essentially shape the future of global communications, potentially sidelining U.S. tech companies that have long controlled the digital landscape. China has already invested heavily in 6G research and development, laying the groundwork for its eventual dominance. Back in 2019, the country launched a national 6G research initiative, signaling its clear intent to lead this next-gen wireless revolution. What makes China's strategy even more formidable is its internet-minutational partnerships, particularly in Europe, which could give it an edge over U.S. efforts. Chinese officials have made their ambitions crystal clear. The Minister of Industry and Information Technology, Xiao Yaqing, recently stated that leading in 6G is a national priority, a move that aligns with China's broader goals of technological independence and global influence. But China's strategy doesn't stop at its own borders. The country is actively building partnerships and infrastructure in regions like Africa and Southeast Asia, expanding its technological reach globally. This move fits neatly into China's wider geopolitical goals, such as the Belt and Road Initiative, which seeks to extend its influence across Asia, Europe, and Africa. In short, China's 6G push is about far more than just faster internet. It's about reshaping the global tech order and positioning itself as the world's dominant force in the digital future.